What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to crop photos on your Mac, of course without installing any software. Now for this one, I'll be showing you two different methods. One is using the Preview app, and the other one is by using the Photos app on your Mac. So to use Preview, simply double click to open any photo, and of course it's going to open in Preview by default. And with the photo open, simply use the crosshairs on your mouse pointer to draw around the area you want to crop. And once you've selected, simply click on Tools and then select Crop. And that is going to crop your photo inside the Preview tool. I'll just close that first. Now, alternatively, once you open the photo inside Preview, you can click on this markup icon. That's going to open up the editor. And then make sure you click on this selector tool and you can select the area you want to crop. And now you should see the crop icon right there. So if you click on that, it's going to crop the photo. And then you can save the photo as a cropped image. Now, if you want to use the Photos app to crop, simply open the photo in the Photos app on your Mac. And then you want to click on Edit in the top right corner. And with the editor open, make sure you click on Crop. And then here, you can go ahead and drag to select the area you want to crop. Now, the good thing with the Photos app is that these crops are indestructible and you can always go back and select something that you had cropped. Also, with this one, you can choose the aspect ratio where you want to crop. You can choose a freeform, which is what we are using right now, which is us selecting exactly what we want. You can have a square aspect ratio, you can have 16:9, or you can even go ahead and create your own custom aspect ratio for your photo. Once you do that, you can crop your photo, and also you can click on the photo and drag it to place it exactly where you want inside that cropped area. Once you're done, click on Done in the top right corner, and it's going to save your photo right there. Now, another advantage of the Photos app is that if you don't like the crop, you can go back and click on Edit. And then right here at the top, you can revert to original, and it's going to go back to the original photo exactly the way it was. But that's really how to crop images and photos on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.